Focal Utopia by Turnair takes the crown as the world's most expensive headphones, boasting a staggering price tag of $120,000. This exorbitant cost is primarily due to its lavish design, featuring 18-karat gold and a trilogy of diamonds. While it's undeniably a masterpiece of luxury, it's important to note that the sound quality of the Focal Utopia by Turnair is essentially the same as its less expensive counterpart, the Focal Utopia. Given the extreme exclusivity and hefty price tag of these headphones, it's highly likely that the buyer prefers to maintain their privacy. This level of luxury often comes with a desire for discretion. Luxurious design. 18-karat gold and diamonds. The headphones are adorned with 18-karat gold and a trilogy of diamonds, transforming them into wearable art. Turnair Craftsmanship. Collaborating with renowned jeweler Turnair, Focal created a design that embodies elegance and sophistication. Limited edition. The exclusivity of the Utopia by Turnair adds to its allure. While the audio performance of the standard Focal Utopia is already exceptional, the Turnair edition takes it to a whole new level of luxury and craftsmanship. Finding a Focal Utopia by Turnair for purchase is extremely difficult, if not impossible. Given its limited production, exorbitant price, and exclusive nature, these headphones are typically acquired through private sales or direct connections to Focal or Turnair. Focal and Turnair directly. While it's a long shot, contacting Focal or Turnair directly might yield some information about potential availability or waiting lists. High-end audio retailers. Some high-end audio retailers may have connections to exclusive products and might be able to assist in sourcing the headphones. Luxury concierge services. These services often have access to exclusive items and might be able to help you acquire the headphones. Subscribe to get more such content.